Are you hearing about artificial intelligence everywhere but still don't really know what it is or how it works? You're not alone. Today, I'm going to break it down in the simplest way possible. By the end of this video, you'll understand what generative AI is, who the main players are, and how you can actually use it in real life. No jargon, no confusion, just clarity. Think of generative AI like a creative partner. A calculator can only give you exact answers to exact questions. Generative AI, on the other hand, can create something new: text, images, even video. It's like asking a friend to help brainstorm, but this friend never gets tired. Now, let's meet the big players. ChatGPT, the go-to conversationalist that can write, explain, and brainstorm with you. Gemini, Google's take on AI, tightly integrated with search and productivity. Perplexity, a supercharged research tool that combines AI with real-time references. And Grok, X's witty, edgy assistant that feels like it was trained to be sarcastic on purpose. Here's where things get interesting: the idea of an AI agent. A model like ChatGPT just responds to what you type. But an agent can actually take actions for you, like sending an email, booking a meeting, or running a workflow automatically. Think of it this way: a regular AI is like having a hammer. An agent is like having a full toolbox that knows how to use itself. That's why AI is evolving so quickly. It's not just about answers anymore, it's about getting things done. Let's put this into practice. Imagine you want to create a professional-looking video avatar of yourself. Step 1. You use Lovart to generate a high-quality image of your avatar. Step 2. That image goes into HeyGen, where it's animated and given a voice. Step 3. Finally, you bring it into a powerful free editor like CapCut to polish the video with cuts, music, and effects. In just a few steps, you've gone from an idea to a finished, shareable video without a big budget or a professional studio. That's the magic of combining these tools. So here's the big takeaway: AI isn't just for experts or tech companies. With the right free tools, anyone can start creating, experimenting, and building. It's like having a creative partner and a technical assistant rolled into one. If you've been waiting to jump into AI, now is the perfect time. Try one of these tools, play around, and see what you can create. And remember, if you ever get rich using these tools, don't forget to buy me a better internet connection.